What is going on here, Polly? Polly? Polly, I didn't expect this kind of behavior from a cat like you. Now what do you want? Your baby wants you. Why are you ignoring your baby today? You and your baby are like two peas in a pod. Don't look similar, but are always together. Baby wants mama, mama is nonchalant, yawning. Now baby is cuddling at my feet. Baby was wanting affection from Kiki, and what are you doing? Baby, no. Baby, you can't scratch me. Baby, you can't scratch me. আরে ও আমায় আঁচড়াতে চাইছে ও ও